Alright, this is a weekly reading for Aquarius. Your color of the week is going to be National Anthem. It's a nice color. I would probably put it in a garage. Um, my garage is like all wood, so it would be a nice color for like the floor or something. Um, and we have a total of 5 songs on the playlist this week. So let's see. Rolling Stones, Miss You. That's an interesting one to stick out, so let's go with that. The rest of them will be listed down below if you want to take a peek and see what else is on the playlist. So your week as a whole is going to be the Three of Cups in reverse. So burning out on pleasure, excess of recreation, inability to find new diversions, decadence, um, loss of respect, delay, um, introverted or malicious exploitation. So there might be somebody who's kind of blackmailing you. Or there might it might feel like you're insecure about something, or something's not going absolutely right, and you kind of have your feelers out, and you're like, this doesn't feel right. I don't want to do this. Something's gonna come of it like later on, you know. It's one of those type of icky feelings. Like you're like, I don't want to do this. But you know, you're gonna have to speak up or do something about it. And actually get that out and about. Okay. Um. So number 2, something unexpected that will arise. We have Justice card. The Justice card is unfairness, falseness of character, prejudice, and intolerance. There could be abuse of some kind. So this could be from somebody, or like a naysayer, or relative, friend, spouse, partner, just somebody that's in your immediate circle. And you feel like this is it's a little bit too much. And you might not feel comfortable about it, but you need to speak up and say something, okay? So number 3, how to stay grounded and balanced. We have the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So the bad side of the coin, defeat, bad luck, unexpected tragedy, detrimental outside forces. So something's gonna happen here. That's gonna kind of, throw you for a loop or make you very uncomfortable. Like you could be one of those friends that's kind of like, oh, something's gonna happen, I just feel it. Like, you have the intuition before something happens that's really bad or is really traumatic. Because you're sensitive to those types of things. Being an air sign. Alright, so number 4, important emotion you will feel this week. We have the Lovers. The Lovers in reverse is inability to overcome trials, meanness, frustration, hate, jealousy, someone else butting into a relationship and destroying it, untrustworthiness, and divorce. So, there's going to be somebody who is either coming in on your relationship or somebody else's relationship, and you might not want to be a part of it. You might not want to be an accomplice. You're kind of one of those people that's like, oh, I don't want to be part of this, I'm going. But there's something going on that's either somebody trying to make you look bad, or making somebody else look bad, so that like this could be your friend's type of situation where they want somebody and you're coming with, and you're gonna say a lot of things because you're probably the more trusting of the two of you or your like friend group. So this friend likes a person, you're gonna say something about their spouse or boyfriend girlfriend situation in order for your friend to slide in and have a chance with this other person that they fancy. So, it's all fun and games until somebody gets hurt and gets a restraining order. But yeah, I feel like there's gonna be a lot of stuff going on that's gonna come to the surface. That's kind of going to. It's gonna be like a stirring situation. I don't think it's gonna be necessarily good or bad, but I feel like a lot of truth's gonna be told, if that makes sense. And it might be through you that you'll find out all this information and have to tell your friend or keep it a secret. And it's like, it's something that is very, um, that's like very all of a sudden, you know? It could be about your relationship, it could be about somebody else, but I feel like you're gonna have to be forced into secrecy for what you know, so that you don't hurt anybody's feelings. But, number 5, something that will inspire you. Um, we have, see, the 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles, turnaround, in a bad situation, new goals, reconciliation with family or a lover. So, like I said, there's going to be um, something that's going to happen that's going to, you know, it's all going to come out. Like, somebody's going to say, hey, somebody wanted to do this, this, and this. Or you're going to tell the person that is, you know, this person's trying to get with what the scenario that's going down is. And you might be betraying your friend at this point, but, you know, you need to say something. Or if somebody comes out and says, oh yeah, so-and-so is trying to break you two up because they want to, you know. But yeah, somebody's going to give you a truth talk, like, straight up. They're going to be like, this is happening, and this is happening. Or you're going to tell them, this is happening, this is happening, this is happening. So it's either one of the two are going to happen. And it's a Gemini energy, so it's like, yeah, this is serious, okay? So, number 6, how your spirit guides will speak to you this week. We have the 3 of Wands. The 3 of Wands is someone giving help in order to gain future influence, treachery, a problem demolished. So, like I said, there's some stuff going on. Like, to me, it seems like a relationship, but in other cases, it could be a career that you kind of have to step away from and go somewhere place else. But yeah, it's kind of the same type of secrecy. It's like somebody knows information that they're going to tell you, or you know information you're going to tell somebody else, okay? Before they get too invested, in a situation. But with everybody having the same information, they can make the decision for themselves of what they want to do, okay? So it's not a bad thing to know information and share it, you know, in any circumstance, okay? Even if you feel a little bit like awkward about it, it's better to tell somebody else and, you know, have it confirmed or disconfirmed like a game of telephone. But it's better to know information and tell somebody about it, okay? So then everybody kind of has the same information and they can make their own call on what they want to do. Okay, and the last card is how to best support yourself this week. We have the Knight of Wands, a journey into the unknown, an important message to be delivered, a general change of location, running away or escaping a bad situation, a mysterious character. So again, like, there's a lot of stuff going on, and you might know information and other people might know the rest of the information, or there's other things going around. It's like, you have to find out everything, okay? If it contains your relationship, you need to know. If it contains your job, you have to know. And if it contains somebody else's job or situation, you should tell them. Okay? It just helps everybody. Okay? Even if it's like, oh, you weren't supposed to tell them and all this. I'm like, it's not about not telling them. It's about making sure that they know consciously what their decisions are and what they need to do. because you don't want to put somebody out that really needs a job or they really need confirmation on a love relationship. Okay? So, and what I channeled from your thing this week when I was holding the cards is daring and exciting liaisons. So, liaisons can be anything. So it's either a relationship or like a situation that opens up. So you might have to take a lot of different things. Alright, so hopefully everything goes alright this week, but I feel like there's going to be a lot of stuff that are going to come to the surface that might not be too desirable once you know the truth behind some things, okay? And that's just for a few of you, it's not for all of you, so, yeah. There could be a situation that comes up that is a little bit not desirable, okay? Anyway, Aquarius, hopefully this helps you out in some way, shape, or form, and it helps you make a decision one way or the other, or know information that you're looking for. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next reading, alright? Bye now.